Swipe Elite Dual has been launched in India with a dual rear camera setup at a price of Rs 3,999. The new smartphone will go on sale exclusively through Shop Clues starting March 8, Thursday. It comes in black, gold, and silver color options. Swipe Technologies has additionally partnered with Reliance Jio to offer the Jio Football offer with the new Elite Series handset. The offer gives an instant cashback worth Rs 2,200 for customers opting Jio network. Swipe Elite Dual specifications. The dual SIM Swipe Elite Dual runs Android 7.1.1 Nougat and comes with a 5-inch display that has a scratch-resistant glass panel on top. Under the hood, there is a MediaTek SoC along with 4 cores at a clock speed of 1.3 GHz, coupled with 1 GB of RAM. The dual rear camera setup on the Elite Dual includes an 8-megapixel primary autofocus image sensor and a 2-megapixel secondary image sensor. Also, there is a 5-megapixel camera sensor on the front. Both sides have LED flash modules. Swipe has provided 8 GB of inbuilt storage on the Elite Dual with an expansion support via microSD card, up to 64 GB. The smartphone has 4G VoLTE, Wi-Fi 802.11b/g/n, Bluetooth 4.0, GPS/AGPS, micro USB, and a 3.5mm audio jack on the connectivity front. Besides, it packs a 3000 mAh battery. Keeping in mind the demands and needs of the audience, and the latest trends, we are glad to bring Elite Dual at such an affordable rate. We foresee that Swipe shall bring a change in the mobile photography market of India with the launch of this most affordable dual-camera smartphone, said Tripal Gandhi, founder and CEO, Swipe Technologies, in a statement.